Hey guys, it's Amy here, back again with another video. Today I'm going to be filming my dogs, but I can't let them in right now. As you can see from the previous videos, like a year ago, this was Fatso. We renamed her again. So, Fatso's right there in the corner. So we renamed her. Her name was Gaspy Fish. Oh, and that dog that you just saw jump up there was Prince. He's a little butthead with everything he does. Over there is Princess. She's a German Short-haired Pointer, and she's a nice dog. She's scared of a lot of things. And Prince, he's a nice dog. He's a pit bull. And then my other dog, Fatso. Fatso is a German Shepherd mix. Okay, that's him. That's like, sorry if you heard that, but that's just watching TV. But that's Fatso. Fatso's right there. Prince, and I don't know if you can see her, but Princess is somewhere right there. Princess is right there. So, hope you have a good day, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment.